Hey everyone, I'm came with another awesome video. 2-3 days ago, new AI is launched, which is Pokee AI. Nowadays, launching new AI model is normal, but the shocking part, old first real 10 million context token frontier classic agentic model. Have you imagined? When I searched, Kimike 3 has 1 million context windows. Pokee AI mentioned we have a 10 million token context windows and deployable on a single GPU starting from RTX 490, which is the one simple GPU. Today we are going to test it. Let's see what does it will mention. New proprietary non-decoder only architecture 93.3 ruler at 10 million tokens, and it's compared to other top tier model, its price is very much low, 0.15 million input and 1 million output. And another shocking part is benchmark. It will beat GPT Luna, Gemini, Claude Haiku, Nematron 3 Ultra, Qwen 3.5 in each and every benchmark. This is the benchmark. This benchmark is not understandable. Okay, it is little bit difficult. I don't want to waste time here, and to be honest, we don't believe in benchmark. We are going to test it in a real case scenario. If it will perform better, then we will think this model is good. Most shocking is 10 million token context windows. If you can search some popular model, then most of the model has only 1 million token context windows. Kimike 3 has 1 million token context window, and DeepSeek is also 1 million token context window. Can see? It is 1 million token context window. And Qwen is also a 1 million token context window. Similarly, GLM is also 1 million token context window. Now we are going to deep dive and explore it. Okay, your AI, your data, your computer, models and agent in your environment. Zero data leaves your network all the power. Pokee AI is the model, the planning, executing, reviewing agent that run long horizon tasks inside your boundary. I'm shocked from this 10 million token context. Okay, I'm going to sign up from here using my Google account. I have already tried it from my another account and it look awesome that I feel, but here I want to show you from scratch. That's why I will create new account here. From where you have heard about it, I'm going to select YouTube, execute your work in an AI workspace. Next, continue. I'm a developer. Choose anyone, this doesn't matter. If you want, you can also skip it as well. Okay, skip. Okay, skip. Now we are ready to use. And best part, you can use it for free as well. If you create the new account and if you see its plan, it will provide 500 credit per month for free. Means it will provide nearly $5 credit per month for free. Okay, I'll open the dashboard here. This is your free plan. If you can use, then it will be deducted from here, and this is the Pokee Claw. We are going to test it here. Before that, I'll show you one thing. This is the PokeeResearch 7 billion, which is the open source. You can easily download it and run it inside your device. It will not require too much powerful device. Of course, to run the model which has 7 billion, it will require little bit powerful device, but not that much powerful device will be required. This is the things that I have already mentioned you. Okay, and best part, if you want to use API, it will provide you a 300 credit, which is equivalent to $3 for free if you want to use its API. If you want to use it inside your Claude code, then you can also achieve it. In today's video, I don't want to focus on it, where we are going to test it in browser. If you want, you can also achieve it. Download Gemini or something Gen to connect this model inside your Claude code. From here you can create your API key. It will provide you a 300 credit to use it for free. After this credit, you need to pay. This is the base URL, this is the model ID, everything will be provided here. If you want, you can test it. This is the benchmark, this is the model Pokee AI 28 billion, and each and every benchmark will be reflected here, but we are going to test it in a different case scenario in today's video to validate does its benchmark reflect in its performance or only the benchmark. You can also test it here in playground as well. This playground credits and this Pokee clock credit are different. Okay, if you want, you can upload any file, give tasks to them, analyze it and give me the report. In today's video, we are only going to test it here in browser. This is the three model currently available here: high reasoning, hijack and GPT 5.6. You can also use GPT 5.6 here. And here is the list of the skill available. Some skill are developed by user. Okay, if you want, you can also develop the skill and post it here. And this verified skill are provided by platform itself. Pokee official skill. Here is the list of skill will be available. Some skill are developed by platform itself and some skill are built by user. You can make this skill favorite as well. You can like this skill and your favorite skill will be reflected here. You can install this skill and use it. I want to start from this task where gradually we will move to the complex tasks. Every time I'll try to build the same task because I want to compare this model. In previous video we have built it using Qwen model, sometime we have built it using Opus model, sometime we have built it using DeepSeek model, GLM model, and we know which type of game it will build using this model. No doubt this model is very much fast. 10 million context window in this model. We everyone know that it is too much fast model. It will complete it and provide us the code. This is the code. If you want, you can edit it here as well. I'll download it, typing game, and let's test it. Okay, this is the game. Okay, let's try. Okay, game is good. Okay, I'm a little bit confused here because when I type one word, it will automatically move to the next word. There is no any space here. In real typing, we'll need a space. That's why I'm confused. Every time I'll type a space and it will give me a error. This game is not bad but not good as well. Let's try to build another things which is little bit complex than this. This game is little bit tricky. Yes, compared to some other, this game is very much tricky. It has a many logic. There will be the animation as well, board design as well. If you want to test the power of any model, you can build chess game where it will require many things. Okay, that's why it will thinks. In typing game, it will automatically start because this is very much easy. When you have built any complex task, then it will things properly analyze. It has a long context windows. Okay, now thinking is also completed. It will mention visual design, UI feature, colorful gradient board, click to select, and many things will be implemented here. First let's view the code. Okay, this is the code. I'll download it and I'm going to run it to test it. Oh, board is very awesome. I like it. Okay, animation is also good. Perfect. Game is good. Yeah, rule is also working perfectly. It didn't allow invalid move. Okay, it will build an awesome chess game. I like it. And I also love to play a chess game. Let's give the check and white to move check, and best part, it will show the history as well. In real game, history will require. You can also block it. Okay, it will build awesome chess game. I like it. After that use, it will only takes this amount of credit. Only takes 22 credit from here. And your API credit is not even touched here. This is the Pokee AI overview that we have tested in the real case scenario. It will provide decent amount of free limit. Use it and decide is it best for you or not. And it will mention that we have the 10 million context windows. Use it and comment down below. Do you have feel it or it is similar like 1 million context windows? If it will provide 10 times more context windows, then it need to fill. It will fill only when you have used it in the long context. If you test it in the simple case, then it will be not fillable. If you use in your long context, then you can definitely fill it. If you want, you can use it inside your Claude code as well. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. We'll meet you in the next video. Okay, bye bye. Happy coding.